Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation.
That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say, no good deed goes unpunished.
Sierra, Quebec 6, Sierra.
Morning, morning, morning. Here we go again. Let's get on with it. Anyway, so we're going to tie up some loose ends, literally. So make sure we've got grounds. Okay.
Uniform 6.
So I haven't milled it out yet. Aluminium. Oh, I finished print. Let me show you that. Hang on.
Thank you. Echo Mike 0, Whiskey Alpha.
So I finished printing this last night out of the 3mm stuff, and basically it fits better, sort of. So just going to make the clip different, tie the clip in with the base and the top. So I've got an idea for that. So let's do that. Okay. Right, here we go.
Delta Lima 9, Yankee Norway, Germany, 59. Thank you, Echo Mike 0, Whiskey Alpha.
So 20 metres is pretty active this morning. So what I've got to do is I've got to alter this clip. So let's get rid of the PCB so we can see what we're doing. So we're going to make a stud. I need a certain amount of studs, so I need this to come out here. I'm going to alter this clip, I think. So the clip is going to have to be, made wider. To allow for, so we can bring out a piece, if we can, around it to put a brass stud in and then attach it to the lid to the base. So we need something like we've got already, but we've got slightly the wrong size there. So I need to alter the size of this and the nut, basically. Let's alter the size of that first, because we're a little bit too big. We've got space around it. So we need to grab those two and scale.
Go for Victor Kilo.
0.92.
Only 4 Victor Kilo.
That's better. Yeah, what's better?
Germany for Victoria Lima, you're 59. Okay, Victory, Japan Lima, thank you. Echo Mike 0, Whiskey Alpha. Echo Alpha 3, Charlie, America. Florida 4, Bravo, Italy Tango, 59.
Right.
Thank you. Sierra Oscar 3, Juliet Kilo. Juliet Yankee, Quebec. Florida 4, Juliet Yankee, Quebec, 59.
Okay.
Thank you. Echo Mike 0, Whiskey
Better, just needs to go over a bit there.
Sierra Papa 4, Tango, 59. Thanks, yours. Delta Florida 7, Radio, 59. Delta Florida 7, Radio Alpha, thank you. Yours. Echo Mike 0, Whiskey Alpha. Sierra Oscar 3, Juliet Kilo. Bravo, Florida Radio. They want Bravo, Florida Radio, 59. Thanks, yours.
Right, that's a bit better. No, it's not exactly right. But hang on, let's just go up a little bit.
Florida 4 Lima Zulu, Sierra 59. Thank you, hear that. Bravo, Zulu, Japan. Oscar November 2.
That's going to have to do.
Oscar Norway 2, Victor Delta
Okay,
59.
that's okay. And how has it changed all of them? It hasn't, has it? Ah, that's a shame.
Alpha Whiskey Charlie.
Right,
Whiskey Charlie.
I have to delete them then. Let's delete
Oscar Kilo
all
1, Alpha
these.
Charlie, Echo 59.
We'll have to put them back in again.
0 Whiskey Whiskey Alpha. Mike 0 Kilo Charlie Victor 59.
We know it's 19 mil
Thanks for that.
away, so yeah, I need to get rid of them. And
Thanks, Echo Mike 0 Whiskey Whiskey Alpha. Italy Uniform 0.
right,
Italy Uniform 3 Romeo Golf X-ray 59. Charles, you're that.
seem to have too many there.
Bravo Zulu Japan, Bravo Zulu Japan.
Florida 6, Bravo, Zulu, Japan. 59.
Florida 6 BZJ 59, thank you, hear that. Oscar Zulu 1 Kilo Victor Mike 5 59. Thank you, hear that. Sierra Queen. Sierra Queen 6 Radio Queen Tango 59.
Oh, have I just got rid of the one?
Thank you,
No,
hear that.
there's the one I want to keep. Right, that's okay.
Delta Sierra. DT5 Delta Sugar 59.
Right, so we've got all them.
Thank you, Echo Mike.
They're too long.
Whiskey Alpha.
India Victor 3, Lima Bravo, Papa.
Italy Victor
Let's make
3,
them
Lima
smaller.
Bravo 59.
Thank
Bye.
you for you. Thank you. 70.
Charles, hear that.
2.5 mil.
Sierra 50. Sierra 50 Golf Radio 59. Thanks, hear that.
Right, that's better.
November 3 Delta Florida.
Right, all these wrong as
Delta
well.
Florida. Hear
Yeah,
that.
they're all wrong as well, I think. But
Delta 3 Delta Japan 59.
right, they're all over the
Thank
place,
you, Echo
aren't
Mike 0 Whiskey Alpha.
they? Right, what I'll do then is I'll get rid of.
0 Mike India Mike.
We'll have to get rid of them, I think.
0 Mike Oscar
Yeah.
Mike 59.
Let's get rid of all these.
Thank you, hear that.
Oh, that's got rid of them already. That's even better. Oh, I've got rid of this one. No, I didn't want to do that. Undo. Right, we want to get rid of it, but we want to make that one unique. Oh. That's weird, isn't it? So we make that unique, then we get rid of that one and that one. Yeah, we've still got that one, that's fine. Right, so we've got rid of all them ones that are weird. So all we've got to do now is
this is Echo Mike 0 Whiskey Alpha. Echo Mexico 0
we'll leave them off for a
Whiskey
minute.
Alpha, hear that. Italy Victor 3 Charlie Alpha Tango.
Oh, let's put them back on.
Charlie Alpha Tango 59.
Let's grab
Okay,
that.
thank you for the 59 to Quesar. Thank you.
That's
Black
it.
Your that. Echo Mike 0 Whiskey Alpha.
So I'll copy that.
Echo Bravo, go Bravo.
19 mil. And copy
Echo
that
India
and
8
that.
Juliet Mike Bravo 59.
No,
Thank you. Echo
didn't
Mike 0
copy it.
Whiskey Alpha. India. India Uniform 4 Romeo Whiskey India 59.
Right, so has that brought them all
Thank you.
back?
Echo Mike 0 Whiskey Alpha.
No.
Delta Kilo 4.
Right, so we'll get
Hotel Alpha Charlie.
that.
Hotel Alpha Charlie. Hotel Echo Charlie. Florida 4 Hotel Echo Charlie, 59. Accurate at Echo Mike 0, Whiskey
Okay.
Alpha.
So we've got what we want.
Norway Echo Radio.
I'm groggy this morning.
Thanks, Kierzet.
Just making sure we got some audio.
November 59.
Right, so we want to copy these.
Thank you.
Oh, hang on. So we want fixings. It needs to be part of that, doesn't it? Cut. Alright, paste in place. Okay, that's that. So we need that, oh, we need that. So we need that, that, and that to be a group. That, and that. That, and that, and that. Group it. Right, so we need to copy it. Okay, so we paste it in place and we try to find the middle. Easier said than done, isn't it? Oh, what's happened? Is he gone? Has it disappeared?
Over.
Right. Let's get this loose end sorted out so I can get on with soldering my 3.5 mono plugs onto my new set of speakers and rearrange the setup here.
Richard, I copy you. My name is Mauro Rapid. Okay, I am tuning my square end from frequency my station and holding in standby. 7-3 for your family, happy new year. A good Richard. VK4 Echo Echo Charlie, IW1 GGR 73, grazie, ciao.
Right, there we go.
Seven three, good DX, bye bye Richard.
There's one missing there. Right, have we got them all? Yeah, we've got them all now. Okay. What's that noise?
Contest. Foxtrot 4 Delta Golf Papa 5915.
Right.
30 just at flight level 200. Thank you. Happy New Year. At flight level 200 Delta 30.
Right, so this clip, we need to reduce the size of it. So reduce the washers and that to the right size. So we have to knock this down. It's too big by 0.445. So if I go into here, and I've got to reduce it by 0.445. And can I just... Yes. And the same here.
Air 570 Victor, turn right heading 190.
Oh, I made a bit of a mistake there, didn't I? Hang on. Right. So I need to grab that. Oh, that can stay the same. That and that. Then reduce it. Oh, it won't let me do it. Oh, I know. 0.445. And extend that to there. Extend that to there.
Thank you. Sierra 52 whiskey contest.
Okay. Oh, I've got rid of something there.
Next 127 Victor, climb flight level 26. Sierra 52
That guy needs a bit of honey and lemon, doesn't he?
Whiskey Alpha.
A bit like me.
Florida, India.
Good morning, Andy. How you doing?
Lima Yankee 5 Delta Alpha 59. Climb flight level 36. Thank you,
Welcome back again. Dear me. Oh dear. You're up early, I'm up early.
Delta Golf Lambert November 59.
I printed finished printing this last night. This 3mm version. So it's just the 3mm version. Actually, I can't get the lid out. At the bottom of that. So I'm just going to alter this clip to make it connect the bottom and the top. Probably make more of them.
140 level clear, Delta 30. London, good morning, easy 64 Bravo, X-ray, car 95130.
Right, so I'm just making this a bit smaller before I add to it. So, I'm going to go like that. We don't want that. We're going to make this a little bit smaller. Right. Oh, hang on. That's it. So hopefully that'll be flush now with the top, if I've got my measurements right. Yeah. Okay, and flush with the bottom.
3165, my service terminates, continue with Bryce 133.
Oh no, it's not quite flush with the bottom.
23755, reach 165 today.
That's weird. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Maybe the bottom, well, I don't know what happened there. Anyway, let's do the top.
Current flight level 330, request flight level 350, final Chinese 127 Victor.
Charlie, Japan radio, 59.
20 metres isn't too bad today.
Whiskey Alpha.
But it's always alright in the morning, really. Most of the time. These days, anyway.
Thank you, Ahoy, QRZ, Echo Mike 0, Whiskey Alpha. 9 Alpha, 2 Alpha, Alpha, 59. Thanks, QRZ. Italy Uniform 0, Quebec, Foxtrot Echo, 59. Mike 0, Papa Hotel Germany 59.
Where are we?
Thank you, Echo Mexico 0, Whiskey Alpha.
Flight level 320, 924 Whiskey Delta.
Delta Lima 0, Bravo X-ray 59.
Freebird 828 Yankee, contact London 129.380.
Thank you, Echo Mexico 0, Whiskey Alpha.
So what is different about this? Something not quite right.
Italy Uniform 3, Florida.
Don't know what.
Italy Uniform 3, you call in?
Delta 30, contact London 129.08.
3, Quebec, Foxtrot
129.080, Delta 30, good night.
Thank you, Echo Mexico 0, Whiskey Alpha. OM4 Sierra Tango Alpha 59. Thanks, Echo Mike 0, Whiskey Alpha.
Easy 64 Bravo X-ray, descent to flight level 160.
Sierra Mike 620 Radio Bravo 59.
November 120 to the runway.
Thank you, QRZ.
Lucia, Mark 15, my path, flight 143, coming flight level 150, direct descent.
Something doesn't look quite right. Don't know what. Let's take the base off, lower lid. So we're alright this side. That's fine there. Underneath. Yeah, something not quite right here. Let's find out where the anomaly is. 4.750. Well, that's okay. So this is just too small by a certain amount. 0.248. Hang on. Let's just have a look at the X-ray mode.
Morning line Delta 338, half for 150.
Right, so we're not quite right there. The washers are alright and everything.
What is your request today? Direct to Selka and requesting 360 Delta 33.
So 0.248. Yeah.
Thank you, QRZ. Report Sierra Tango Alpha 59. Thank you, Echo Mike 0, Whiskey Alpha.
Right, that should be flush now.
Delta 41, Mike Papa
Is that
59.
flush? Yeah, it's flush. Okay.
Thanks, QRZ. Sierra Papa 1, Delta Mike Papa 59.
Camera 15 Mike, climb flight level 300.
Gracias, QRZ.
Right, so we need to make that. Probably need to make that
Papa Whiskey.
come all the way across to here. so we can put a fixing hole in the side.
Italy Whiskey 9.
Can't put a fixing hole here for the lid, so the upper lid, it'll have a fixing hole.
Kilo Charlie.
So we'll have a fixing hole here that we can attach a screw through to connect, but there's no room here, and there's no room to put anything there. So there's no room, so the only room we've got is here. So yeah, we've got the room there. We'll put the PCB back. We've got room down here. Yeah, so that's the room we've got above and below. So if I grab another one of these, I just got rid of the... Why have I got rid of those? Hang on. I need them again. Just make sure I haven't... Yeah, that's okay. Right, I need them again, so I'm going to have to copy that clip. Copy, paste in place.
What position you routed to?
Right, so we've got two clips. Two clips we're going to make into one clip. And yeah, we're going to join them up, so here's what we're going to do. So we'll go into that. Oh well, we'll cut that. Paste in place. Right, can't do that. Hang on. Undo. So we're going to copy it. Oh, it's a component, isn't it? So what we'll do, we'll grab both of these, we'll move them up out of the way. Up 60 mil, so we can work on them. Right, so we're going to work on these, make them, amalgamate them into one. So we're going to have to explode them. Right, they're both exploded, and I'm going to have to carry that over to there. And same on the bottom, so we want one lug here and one down below. So you want a couple of lugs. Okay. So I can't do what we've got there, so hang on. We need to keep it like that.
Thank you, Echo Mike 0, Whiskey Alpha. Italy Zulu 5.
Right.
Italy Zulu 5, Quebec Radio, Hotel 69.
Okay.
Thank you, Fjordan.
We don't need the curve now, let's see what it looks like. It needs to be ergonomic around that really. It won't be because that, yeah. So we need a copy of that.
Echo Mexico 0, Whiskey Alpha. Hello, secure. Echo Mexico 0, Whiskey Alpha. Echo Mike 0, Whiskey Alpha.
What happened? I thought I did 50 mil.
Whiskey Alpha. Delta Go 5, Mike Lima 59.
EZ 9009, when
you
you're ready,
Mike 0, Whiskey Alpha.
When ready, descend flight level 110, EZ 9009.
There you go.
Well, good morning, 3 November, calling Federal 150. 3 November, under control, hello, direct to MEDOG, what's your requested level? To MEDOG and requesting Federal 380, please, Virgin 3.
60 mil, is it? Yeah, 60 mil. So we want that ergonomics around it. That'll give us more strength as well. Yeah. So keep the ergonomics. So I'm going to cut, paste in place. Right, we don't need. Right, we need all that. Yeah. We'll come back a bit. Come back a bit off it. Say 1 mil off it. Right, okay. So we don't need that. Don't need that or that. That or that. That or that or that. That or that or that.
Virgin 3 November, climb flight level 180.
Don't need that.
Climb flight level
or
180,
that.
Virgin 3 November.
We don't need that. And we don't need the inner one. Okay, we don't need that. Right. So that's a new bit. We can get rid of these bits. Okay. We need to push that through. And we know it's 3 mil. No.
224 uniform man control, good morning, descent flight level 290. Descent flight level 290.
Oh, it's 2.5 mil. So it's the aluminium, it was 3 mil.
Heading and report back to Bristol, 125650, come on.
2.5 mil.
Maintain present heading and report to Bristol, 125650.
Right, so we've got our little bracket. Let's see if we can smooth it out a bit. No. Why have we got these? Do we need them? No.
Virgin 3 November, climb flight level 340. Climb flight level 340, Virgin 3 November.
Righty-ho. Okay, so we've got that, so we can add the lugs now to it. Let's just see what it looks like in the model.
Control, good morning, back Canada, 869, 100, climbing 150. Hey, Canada 869, London Control, good morning, direct to Felka, what's your requested level?
60 mil.
Direct Felka and...
Right, what we got now? So we've got this packer that holds more than one side. So it acts as a strap to join them. And also, if it does crack and break off, it'll hold it still. Okay, so you could put another one around the other side. So you want one. Yeah, this might be alright because it's octal. I think we'll put one here, one there, and one there. And that should tie everything up together. So we'll do that now. Let's do that now. Copy, paste in place. So we'll put one there. Paste in place, and we'll put another one.
Virgin 22 Quebec, descend flight level 140, level by Zurich. Flight level 140, level Zurich, Virgin 22 Quebec.
Another one there. Yeah. And paste in place. And another one there. No. There.
Mike 7 Hotel Kilo November, listening for any calls.
Okay, so we've got now a way of holding it all together. So if you bend it, it splits. If you bend it too many times, it splits. It'll still hold it all together. These clips will hold it all together. And also we can use it to yeah, let's just so if I make a nodule off there that'll fit a brass bush, because I can print these flat and it can do this bit. So let's do that next. Right, let's get one of these and we can just see if we've got enough for a brass insert 3 point. We haven't quite got enough. That's not quite enough. 3.7. It needs to be 5mm really. Unless we use smaller stuff. They've gone quiet again. Why do they keep moving channel?
Mike 7 Hotel Kilo 224 uniform, D7 flight level 140 level by Zurich. Flight level 140 level Zurich. Kilo 224 uniform.
Keep moving because they're noise. People keep...
right 5 degrees, flight level 310. Turn right 5 degrees, flight level 310, connect 1705. We just did that turn at lane, it's heading 181, okay?
Lovely.
Yeah, can make it 185 for me, please. Okay, we'll go 185, climbing 310, connect 1205.
Let's turn that off a minute.
Quell'apparato non lo so, per
It's brilliant these things look online, but I'm not really comfortable with that. I don't want to drop a bomb line, buy one which is just a bit cheaper, and then find out it isn't compatible with the radio. But anyway, I've gone for their own anyway, their own ATU, so it should be right, it should be okay anyway.
We'll listen to that for a bit.
Yeah, all fine there, John. I think now you wouldn't want your feet
So we'll just pick it up, potentially 5 bands, 5
a
channels.
dog or a human. That would be a nasty thing.
That'll drive you mental listening to too many.
Thomas, der da... Mr. 3 Lima, Bravo Papa. 59. Thank you very much. 59. Thank you. Thank you. Good luck. 9 Alpha 2 Alpha Alpha. Good morning. 59.
Right, so we want some nodules. I could make it smaller.
Oscar November 6.
Yeah, I don't really want it too small. M3 is the smallest I want to go, really. Alright, let's find the middle. So if we get the middle and go this way a bit, come out this way, I don't know. Let's use a tape measure.
Foxtrot 4.
Let's come out, I don't know, I suppose flush with the edge of this, really. Is that flush? Yeah. That dictates where the thing's going to come out to. Let's find the middle. That's the middle.
Oscar 6 Papa India Radio. Good morning. 59.
Alright, we've got the middle. What we need now is right, something this way. We'll have to go this way. Let's go that way. 3.5mm.
Echo Alpha 4 Hotel Tango India. Good morning.
And that way 3.5mm.
Thank you. Good luck.
So I've got something to connect
Norway
to.
Oscar Norway Italy Zelanda 8.
And we'll go this way. 3.5mm. That's too close. Yeah, half a 3.5mm is half a 3.5, 1.75.
Sugar Norway 0 Whiskey Papa Whiskey Alpha.
3.5.
Norway 0 Whiskey Alpha.
3.5. That's it.
Papa Delta 5.
Okay. So the lid will sit on top. Let's put the lid on a minute. Oh, you can't see the lid. So lid will sit on top, so that's fine. The hole will be out enough. Right. So I've got to come in from the edge really wants to line up with the middle of this back hole.
Thank you, 76. CQ, Sugar, Norway 0, Whiskey, Alpha.
Right, let's find out what we got there. We've got 10 mil, is it? 5 mil. What's going on there?
CQ, Sugar, Norway 0, Whiskey, Alpha.
4.98. Why have I got a weird... Oh, because I lined it up with that. That's okay. Let's just come somewhere in the middle. So, somewhere in the middle. Or we can just put a curve on it. No, it's not quite a nice shape. Let's say, I don't know, let's say 2.5. There, that'll do. Right, what's that like? Doesn't look like a nice... It'll probably do. Yeah, probably do. So we want to go down flush with the top of that. Can't see it because I'm... Hang on. Need to be in X-ray mode. That's it. And ideally it will be the same shape as that, really. Yeah, let's make it the same shape as that.
G7 Hotel Kilo November, listening for any calls.
We'll have to go up like that. Oh, we don't need that. Yeah, let's do it that way.
G7 Hotel Kilo November, listening for any calls.
That doesn't look right, does it? Doesn't look right there. Hang on. Right, let's go back a touch. That's better. Okay, so we've got that there. A bit more thicker. It wants to go. That needs to come down to there somehow. Can I just do that? Yeah, maybe. Right, so we've got that. So we need to get rid of... how do we get rid of that now?
CQ, Sugar, Norway 0, Whiskey, Alpha. Charlie Tango 1, Charlie Victor Lima, good morning, 59.
Right, problem there.
Thank you.
Probably did that the wrong way. Let's undo some of that. Right, let's undo that. Yeah, I know what to do. Let's get rid of some of this. Change the way we do that.
Charlie Sierra Victor 4, Charlie Golf India is Roger. Roger 59, thanks.
Okay. And we're going to bring that, extend that up to... Oh, no, that's not the one. Hang on. Intersect the faces with the model. And then bring that up to there. Is that right? Yeah. So we've got the shape there, but we haven't got the rounded bit. We can sort the rounded bit out now. Let's make it rounded. Not from that angle. Right, let's try and do it from this angle. Right, so yeah, you can see the problem there. Let's come back a bit more. What size is that? What I want is the middle, don't I? Yeah, I want the middle. Alright, let's find the middle. There's the middle. Still not doing it. Ah, must have a different thickness. Yes, we want to make the... Probably made it too thick. Yeah, it's too long. Let's do some undoing in a minute. Right, so what we want is the same width. Whatever that from there to there is. 4.984. We need... where's your calculator gone? 4.984 divided by 2, 2492. 2.492. 2.492. This is crazy, I know. Right. And it needs to go up to there, like that. So we've got a square that's equal shape, and that should be the centre. Yeah. So now we should be able to go like this. Why are we not in the centre? Why is that one not in the centre? Let's get rid of some of these. Right, where's the centre? That's the centre. Okay. Right, so we should be able to now do this. And then push that down into there. No, it wouldn't let me go down that far because that's the roof of it there. Okay, I have to do it manually. Right, so we've got that. I need to get rid of do this? That's a point. How do we do that? Delete them. Stop it slightly short. Let's stop it short. How do we do that? Right. Yeah, it's not exactly what I wanted, but anyway. Right, so we should be able to get rid of... No, we've lost that line now. Shit. Oh god, hang on. Right, tell you what we'll do. We'll flatten this off. Yeah, we'll flatten that off. So flatten that off. Alright, what have we done now? I've messed it up, I don't know. Right, bring that up to there. Wrecked it, haven't I? What's that doing there? What's that doing there? And that. What have I got? What have I got lines there? Alright, let's come out. What have we lost? Have we lost anything? No, we haven't lost anything. Right, let's come out of X-ray mode so we can see what's going on. Right, so we need to... We've lost our surface. Hang on. Let's put our surface back. Right, so we're getting it back slowly. Bloody hell. Nightmare, isn't it? Hang on. You only need that at 2 mil max. Yeah, the thickness, I was going to put a brass insert in it, melt it in. So melt that in there, and the 3 mil one, I think I've used them, and I need like 4.6 of depth. I haven't quite got enough depth here. Yeah, so it's probably going to stick out a little bit. I don't know. Unless I go down in size, I want to keep it M3.5 if I can. I've got to just use what I've used in the past for different stuff. Right, what's happened here? Hang on. Something's gone wrong here. Let's just tie this up a bit. Right, so we've got that there. Oh, put that back a minute. Intersect the faces with the model. Oh god, what's it done now? Why has it wrecked it? Right, let's try a different way. Is SketchUp playing silly buggers at me? Yeah, sometimes you have to redo the work over. You have to fight it all the way. Right, so we've got everything back. Yeah. So we need now to make this as thick as that there. Right, that'll do. Okay, and then we're going to put a hole in it. Now the brass fitting is 4.6. It's 4.6 the diameter of the brass fixing. Doesn't give me a whole lot left. Shit, I don't want to go down in size. So 4.6, 2.3, 2.3, 0565, 4.65, 4. Oh, I can't remember. Hang on. It's too early to work out the calculations. 4.65 divided by 2. 2325. 2.325. Ah, that's not enough. Not enough meat on it. No. It's gonna have to have a thicker. It's gonna have to be thicker. Yeah. Okay. Right, so let's do some undoing a bit. I can move that over. I don't know. 2 mil. And this one over 2 mil. Okay. Bring that down to there. It wants to go more really. I've got to be careful. Wants to go 5 mil really. Right, that's 5 mil. It needs 5 mil. We need the middle of this. .325 was it? So we haven't got enough depth that way either. But we could go into there. Yeah, we don't have to be all the way over here. Let's get, can we get rid of that? Yeah, get rid of that. So we could come over a bit. Let's say we want to go over 2 mil. That's 1 mil. Let's say 1 mil. So we've got a 1.125 mil. Yeah, let's go a bit more. What size is that? Yeah, we don't want to. Yeah, so we're gonna have to come out a bit here. It's gonna have to stick out a bit more. Unless we go with that. It's got some chunk. Why is it? It's not even centered. Why is that not centered? Because it isn't. Right, that's better. Looks thick. This is only a tiny clip. So, I'm going to melt it. We can just melt it all the way in. I want to try and keep the bottom. So we've got 5 mil there. We need probably, got to be careful here. We don't get in the way of the other bit. Still got to get this thing to protrude through. Should be alright. Yeah, I'll have to make one. I keep losing myself in it. Right. Okay, so we've got that there. Alright, let's just go. Go down. I don't know. 4.5. The compromise. We'll have a little bit of plastic left at the bottom. Right, that's showing the brass fitting coming through. It's not a good idea. It's a shame. Yeah, can't really have that there. Okay, we're going to have to alter that slightly then. We're not going to be able to have as deep as we want. Can't undo that now. No. So we're just literally going to have that to there. Oh, I've done it again. Why have I suddenly got rid of that? That's weird. Oh. Don't ask me. Oh, is it because of that? Yeah. Right, so we want to stop a little bit short. So that's 3.7, so I'll go 3.5, that'll have to do. 3.5, can we get rid of that now? Yeah. $2.325. Yep. Right, okay. That's it. Now ideally that would be the same width. Let's just do that. Hang on. Right, I'll go the other way. It's going to stick out a bit, does it matter? Right, it's not quite what we're after, is it? Okay, we'll leave that as it was. Leave that as it was. Right, let's just push that down. We'll have to push it all the way through. We'll have to just you'll have to attach. Yeah, it'll have to attach there. I haven't got a bottom for it. Yeah, we'll have to just take that out. Right, so that's what we got. Actually, there's a bit of a ledge there. There's your bottom. To push it into the top of there, that'll do. That's all we got. Yeah, and it's going to have to melt slightly past to make it fit the brass insert, so it will stick out the bottom, but it'll be melted in. Okay, so we've got that bit, so we need the same again now. Copy, paste in place. We need to move it down. It's more than 19mm this time, isn't it? Let's get it from the bottom. Now let's just take it up. Let's move it up. Hang on. What we want? We don't want all that. Undo, paste. Right, we only want. We want this edge. This edge. And that. That's all we want. Paste in place. Now we're going to move it down onto the edge like that. And we're going to cut it. Paste it in place. And we should be able to now make it part of the thing. Should be able to make it part of the thing momentarily, so we need to move that a minute. Cut. No, undo, cut. Undo, paste. Where's it gone? Alright, paste in place. That's not it. Undo, paste, undo, close, undo, open, undo, cut. Right, so we want that. Let's bring it up in the air. Let's put it there for a second. Take that off the system. Cut. Paste in place. Okay, let's make it solid. Let's what size was it? 3.5. No, that's no good. Can I get rid of that? No. did I do this? Hang on. Intersect the face with the model. Intersect the face with the model. Oh my god. Can't push that because it'll just ski with everything. Won't let me. That's annoying, isn't it? Very annoying. Right, so if I right. Right, so we cut it, paste it in place, bring it down to where we want it, move it down 3.5 mil, no, that wasn't it. And draw a line. Cut it, paste it in place, is that right? Maybe, maybe not. Can we get rid of that? Yeah. Okay, now this one. So we cut it, paste it in place, okay, alright, there's our new bracket, that's our new bracket, so it's a bit, yeah, unorthodox, right. See if we can tidy up the smoothie edges. Yeah, apart from one. Can that be gone? No. Don't know why, can't get rid of that one. Let's try again. Smooth the edges. Nope, that's it, that's all we can do. Oh well. Let's have a look at it in X-ray. I haven't done a save for a while, better save it. Right. I mean, if you want to save a brass fitting, you could just self-tap it, but I want to be able to open it and close it, open and close it loads of times without any problem. Right, okay, so let's have a look at that. Yeah, it's changed them on all of them, that's good. So what I need now is get rid of this. Get the right way up again. Right, so we're okay. So our lids need to have holes in it, in that position, so we'll do two at a time, top and bottom lid. Copy, paste in place. Okay, let's do the next two. It's long-winded. Got no sounds going on.
We'll be listening for another few minutes and then go to RT. I think Polly has done as well, and Eric, well, he has got a very, very cold.
Right, is that the last of them?
Maybe that's the reason.
Yeah. So we've got them there. So we need to grab hold of all these. Right, I need to cut them. Show the lid. Paste it in place. That's where the holes have got to be. Now that's the same hole, that's the wrong size hole. So we need to probably use that as the countersunk hole. Let's move them down the other side. No. Undo paste. Paste in place. Right, so we've got them there. Hang on. Undo paste, right. Still got them here, yeah. Got too many of them. Right, so we want to bring them up to the top. So 3mm. Turn the lid on. Where's the, oh, I'm on the wrong side, upside down. Okay. We'll do the bottom lid first then, right, so we need to, we'll have that as the countersink, I think. Cut. Paste in place. Right, I want an M3. So we'll go 1.51. Okay, so that's the hole. That can go all the way through. And then we can we do more than one at once? I don't think we can, I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, we can, that's good. So, we've got 3mm, so we need to go at least 2.25. 2.25. That's not a big enough countersunk though, is it? Doesn't look big enough. 4.6 now. What I need is a countersink now. An M3 countersink. Have I got such a thing? Should be alright. think it'll be alright. Be alright, but it's going in too far. Uh, 1.5. That's better. Right, so we've got that done. Yeah, we've got that done. Up the lid. So we've done the, yeah, we've got our holes there. That's it. So we've got a way of mounting that bottom to there. I can work on it from both sides. So I need the same thing at the top now. I'll have a sip of this, it's very thirsty. Getting hungry as well. So I should be able to print those clips out next. I'll just do these. Oh, where they gone? I've lost them. That's weird. How have I lost them? Did I undo paste? I must have lost them. Hang on. Chassis clamps. Look at that. That's weird, isn't it? What's gone on there? Right, let's bring that chassis clamp up a minute. 50mm. So turn off the chassis clamps. That's crazy, isn't it?
I have no idea. It worked perfectly with the old one. And I was running, dare I say it, the old computer was still on Windows 7. I know on Windows 11, of course, but those links will work for some computers as well.
What on earth is going on? Oh, is this a glitch? Oh, they've all gone.
The laptops, which also run Windows 11 still weren't recognising the cables, so I bought the new ones and it works perfectly. So I'm hoping it will
What a bloody weird program this is. Let's just say that it's come out and go back in again. Yeah, so if you use a free program, you've got to struggle with it. I still find it easier than trying to use Fusion 360. Quicker, but problematic. Yeah. Still got all the same trouble. So layer 0. Why is it on layer 0? Chassis clamps. I've still got some rubbish going on there now. What on earth is going on? Chassis clamps.
CQ Golf 8. Over Zulu Tango.
What on earth is all this?
G8V, T course.
I ain't got a clue what's happening now. So if I delete that, what happens? Delete the chassis clamp. One weird lot of stuff in it, eh? Weirdness. Right, layer, chassis clamps. Okay, we'll just do that. We'll play its game. Come play my game, I'll test you. Psychosomatic addicts. Come play my game, I'll test you. Right, are we done? Are we done? Yeah, we're done. Okay. Right, we've played the game. Right, all this to get the lid on. So the bottom's done. Upper lid next. Right, okay. So we need to grab that again. Do I need to grab that again? What's the difference between this lid and the upper lid? There's a hole in it. Okay. We'll do it the hard way. Right, so we get all these now. Uh, 1.51. Oh, I've got a bevel on this one. 3 mil. Yeah, because this is the top, so it's got a bit of a bevel on it. Right, okay. That's it. So we've got brass fittings. We haven't done the brass fittings yet. Okay, let's print one of them out then. Let's print one of those clips out. Let's load up Bamboo Studio. So it's the clip. Do we keep the old clip? Let's keep the old clip as well. So make this a new clip. Chassis clamp. Chassis clamp for the base and lid. Okay. Let's get this over here. Right, new project. New project. White PLA. Import. Chassis, base and lid. SDL. Right, so let's put it like that. I think we can have it flat. Yeah. Okay, we'll print one, see how it comes out. Will it print? Who knows? It says it's okay. 4p. It thinks it's only going to cost 4p. That's a bit cheap. Anyway, right, print the plate. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. How long is it going to take? 7 minutes? 9 minutes? 10 minutes? Just less than 10 minutes. It's going to warm the plate up and warm the bed up and the nozzle and clean the tip and do bed leveling. I'll just do the bed leveling all the time. It's just seems to take the same amount of time anyway. I should go and run isopropyl wipe over it really to help it stick. I think it'll be alright. Right, so let that carry on for a bit. So, we need some fixings. Brass inserts next. Do we need to show brass inserts? Not sure. So we got the lower lid and the PCB. PCB, is that going to get in the way of anything? Hang on, let's take the lower lid off a minute. Let's have a look from underneath. No, we're okay. The PCB's out the way, look. It's not in the way. Yeah, PCB's not in the way. So what we can do now is we've sorted them out, we're printing the clip out. It's going to need 4 clips, but it'll also help hold it all together. We can mount the lid and the base now using those clips. So we can fasten all these on. So the only thing we've got to do now is set the G code up for this. To mill it out of metal, aluminium. Now, the problem is size between there and there. What size we got? 2.45, so I can probably find a million bit that small. But I've got V bits that are designed for, not for aluminium. So this might have to be a square here. It might have just to be a toolpath square that doesn't quite go. So you'll end up with a square, but these two will touch. So you'll have a square cut out, and it'll bend over a wider area. Well, it'll bend wherever the crease wants to go. That's the problem we've got now. Unless I need to score, unless I score something. So anyway, we'll print it all out with the new lids. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll make a completely new one. Right, this one's going to be called, I can't remember what, chassis clamp. The chassis. No, that's a chassis clamp. Switcher chassis, STL, that's it. I'm going to overwrite that one. Right, we need new lower lid. So we need the lid again. Do I want to bevel the lid? Yeah, because probably bevel edge. There's a lot of fixings, but they're going to double up as anchor bolts for the eyes. So do I make it the same? Yeah, that'd be better on, I suppose. Let's find out what I did with the upper lid. 1/2 mil, I think it was, wasn't it? Yeah. 1/2 mil, 1/2 mil. Right. They've gone quiet again.
There is enough room. I don't use. I mean, I've got 3 oscilloscopes in here.
November 5.
Charlie Kilo.
Thank you, Joseph.
India Uniform 7, Quebec, Charlie Kilo.
Mike Sugar, Mike 6 Kilo, Tango 5 and 9. Thank you, happy New Year. Charlie Radio 6 Whiskey Alpha.
India Uniform 7, Quebec, Charlie Kilo, Italy United 7.
India United 7, Queen Charlie Kilo 5 and 9.
Thank you, 5973.
Ciao, grazie, Joseph. Mike 1. MM10VK 5 and 9. Yep. I got November Yankee Whiskey 5 and 9. 837, Kilo Hotel, grazie, Georgia. Charlie Radio 6 Whiskey Alpha. I got 1 Golf Bravo Alpha. Delta Oscar 1 Golf Bravo Alpha 5 and 9. Thank you, Charlie Tango 1. Charlie Tango 1 Alpha Zulu November. Um abraço, 510. Muito obrigado. Obrigado, que word is it? Toyota for Italy Yankee Bravo 5 and 9. Thank you, Happy New Year, Charlie Radio 6 Whiskey Alpha.
Right, so we've got that one done.
Ocean Tango 1 Yankee 5 and 9. Thank you, Happy New Year, word is it? Papa Bravo.
So this is the base.
Echo India 9 Golf Mike Bravo
Base
5 9.
STL. Switcher base. There it is.
Thank you, Happy New Year, word is it?
So we'll make one out of plastic again.
Quebec. Mike 7 Hotel United Queen 5 and 9. Thank you very much. Radio 9 Ocean Florida 5 and 9. Thank you, word is it?
Base lid. Switcher lid.
Lima Yankee.
Switcher lid. There we go.
Lima United 3 Mike Bravo Sierra 5 and 9.
Okay.
W3 Bravo Mike Sugar Kilo Hotel 5 and 9.
So we've got everything done.
Hotel Mike 0 India Yankee Tango 5 and 9. Thank you, keyword it.
Apart from the screws,
Echo Whiskey.
the brass fittings.
Delta Oscar to Sierra Golf Whiskey 5 and 9.
Oh, we'll have a look at this clip. 7 minutes to go. See if the clip comes out any good. We'll fit it to this one.
Thank you, keyword Charlie Radio 6
And we'll have a go with it. Right.
Radio Lima 1 Florida 5 and 9.
Oh my god.
Thank you. Ending number 6 again.
So already I've ended up with some scrap material.
Mike 6 Radio Victor Alpha 5 and 9.
I suppose that can be made
Thank
into
you,
a
Charlie Radio
holder.
6 Whiskey Alpha.
I don't know, storing. I don't know. And then we're going to have this white. It's going to be scrap, and these lids are going to be scrap. So all that's going to be scrap. I'll reuse the fixings. Now, I used to keep all the bits of scrap. I used to keep them in a box thinking I might use them, but they got overwhelming. So I decided to get rid of them.
Thank you, gracias. You are this.
Just get rid of them.
Yankee Lima 3 Bravo Florida 5 and 9. Thank you, keyword Charlie Radio 6 Whiskey Alpha.
This is a box I made with it. It's got some brass inserts and M3 fixings. Just takes my controller plus the power supply, this one.
Echo 7 Echo Sugar Papa 5 and 9.
It's all over the place.
Thank you, Canada Radio 6 Whiskey Alpha.
Anyway, yeah, I've got these plugs to solder on. Got to cut the cables and do them next on a couple of speakers, rearrange my setup here. I want my FT710 down, level with the FTM510, and the speakers somewhere else. Gonna have 3 speakers, one on the FT710 and 2 on the FTM510 for each band. So I've got to do a bit of a rearranging here. You can't see this lot from here. I could put you on a mobile camera if I could find the camera.
United 7 Sugar Queen Victor 5 and 9. Gotcha.
I could bring this one out.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's bring this one out. There we go. Hold on.
Charlie Radio 6 Whiskey Alpha.
Alright, so inside a preview.
Any in Japan?
That's my setup there. So I've got another couple of these brand new to fasten onto this one. I've got all sorts of stuff going on in here. I've got audio still in here, so I've got all my kits here. It's a bit of a setup going on here. There's all the music setup, keyboards, and all that. Bit of a mess. Need to tidy it up. Sunday afternoon of tidying up. It goes up all the way up there. Look at that lot.
Happy New Year, nice to see you. Where is it?
Anyway.
Charlie Mike 5 and 9.
Never mind.
Thank you, Charlie Radio 6 Whiskey Alpha.
I'll have a tidy up one day. Maybe today. I've got to get
November Victor Charlie 5 and 9.
I've got to get all this cleared off to get the computers, retro computers set up. I've got motherboards to fix and test. I've got to test this thing I made. So it's parallel port and serial port tester for vintage computers. Shows the voltage and that. Not my design, but I bought a PCB designed for LEDs and I've soldered it up. It's quicker than wiring it up. I just solder them inside the connectors and manually wire these meters. Anyway, so I've got to test all of them. Colleague at work bought this and blew it up. He wants me to have a look at that. Put it on a battery, and the battery was something wrong with it and blew it up. Smells of burn, so I've got to have a look at that as well. We've got loads of projects, and I've still got to finish this project off. Keypad. And then we've got my main project. There's some enclosures I made on a DIN rail, touchscreen display. It's all my usual stuff.
Happy New Year, QRZ, Charlie Radio 650 with the Alpha.
Yeah, I've got loads of stuff.
I got the 5 Bravo
Loads of stuff. Got to get back on with the Amigas, because I've got to sort out all my Amiga collection out and test everything, repair it if need be, test it, get it ready. I'm only going to keep a few of them. I'm not going to keep them all. Let's just have a look how we're getting on with the printing. Right, is that coming out okay? Maybe. Looks okay. It's got the odd strand there. And because I was being lazy, didn't go and wipe the bed. It looks like it's curving a little bit, where it's not adhering properly. But we'll see. It's normally like that on the first print. I'll have to go and I'll use a glasses wipe and just clean the bed. Just scrub the bed here, and then it sticks okay. But the first print, when the thing's cold, it never really comes out any good. It's okay, but I can think it's lifting. We'll have a look. It's only got a minute left. We'll have a quick look at that. And we'll fasten it up. We'll fasten it on this one. Yeah, because it'll still go onto this one. We'll just fasten it up onto there. Put a few fixings in, see what it looks like. Okay.
Happy New Year, QRZ.
So it'll be an internal one. So it's an inside. It's not IP rated for outside, but you start somewhere. Could seal it up. Eventually, could seal it up. 0 minutes left. Right, it's finished, I think. Yeah, got a little strand there. Sometimes you just pull them off and they're fine. Right, I'll go and grab it. It'll be still hot, so I'll go and grab it. So I'm back in a second. Right, I'm back.
Thank you, good luck, you worth it.
Here it is. It always amazes me when you design something and you print it out and it's exactly like you thought it was going to be.
Thank you, Charlie Radio 650
Right,
with
let's try it. Dying first. Right.
Thank you, QRZ.
So that'll just go in there like that. Will it line up?
Bravo Zulu 5 and 9.
This is the old
Thank
one.
you, the other Sugar Papa.
Right, let's get some fixings.
Sugar Papa 9, Sugar Mike Radio 5 and 9.
Get some fixings. More fixings.
Delta Tango, India Tango 9
1,
Delta,
2, 3, 4,
Okay, grazie.
5,
Georgia,
6.
Charlie Radio 650 Whiskey Alpha. Sierra Papa 2 Papa America
some
5 and 9.
nuts to go with it.
Thank you. Any in
1,
Oscar?
2,
Any in Oscar?
3, 4,
Radio Bravo Lima 5 and 9.
6. There we go.
IU6 Radio Bravo Lima, grazie. Georgia.
Right.
Little Charlie.
This is not the one I'm going to be using, so I need to print another one out.
TK5
I'm just trying it.
Delta Kilo 5 Lima Charlie 5 and 9.
Let's make sure it fits
Happy New Year, Georgia.
with a nut on it.
To the Mexico.
See if it
Mexico
actually
0 Kilo,
works.
Victoria, Japan. Kilowatt, Spain, Japan 5 and 9. Thank you, Georgia.
Lima Bravo 4, America.
To the Sierra Kilo.
Should be printing some other stuff out really
Sierra Victor 1 Sierra
before the
Sierra Kilo
bed
5 and
cools
9.
right down. Yeah, let's print some more stuff out.
Happy New Year, thank you. Canada Radio 650 Whiskey Alpha.
Lima Bravo 4, America, Germany.
Hotel Bravo 3 Yankee November Sierra 5 and 9. Thank you, Charlie Radio 650 Whiskey Alpha.
Lima Bravo 4,
What's
America,
going on with
Germany.
that?
Sierra Papa 3 Oscar Kilo Julius 5 and 9.
Yeah, an odd nut that won't turn. Yeah, it's alright.
Thank you, Charlie Radio
It's going
650
there.
Whiskey Alpha.
Lima Bravo 4, America, Germany.
Hotel Bravo 9
So I
Hotel
should
Lima,
print
India,
something
5
else
and
out.
9.
Let's print something else out.
Thank you, Charlie Radio 650 Whiskey Alpha.
Right, let's bring something else. File, new project,
Lima Bravo 4 America, Germany 5 and 9.
import. What I'm going to print next. What should we
Thank
print?
you, Happy New Year, thanks for calling. Charlie Radio 650 Whiskey Alpha. Echo Alpha 5 Radio Charlie. India
Suppose
United
we
1
want
Oscar
that.
Papa Oscar 5 and 9.
Yeah,
Happy New Year, Charlie Radio
let's
16
print that out.
Charlie Radio 650 Whiskey
Chassis.
Alpha. Echo Alpha 5
Chassis. What the
Sugar
chassis?
Papa.
Where's the chassis?
Sugar Papa 2 Golf Papa Lima 5 and 9.
Antenna, switcher, chassis.
Good luck, thank you, Charlie Radio 650 Whiskey Alpha.
Switcher chassis, that's the
Echo
switcher
0
chassis, there it
Sierra.
is. Right, so we're going to alter the
0
angle on
Victor
that
X-ray
one.
Sierra 5 and 9, thank you. Echo Alpha 5.
45.
Yeah,
Print it
59,
like that.
59. Now, gracias,
Now
Georgia.
this is the new one with the 3mm instead of.
The Delta Juliet.
This is the 3mm
Delta Juliet to Radio
edge.
Oscar 5 and 9.
Yeah, let's print that out.
Happy New Year, Charlie.
It's going to be milled out eventually, but.
2 Mike 0.
Right, now I should go and clean the bed really.
2 Mike 0 Fox Papa India 5 and 9.
Let's just go for it. 32
Happy New
pence,
Year,
that's going to
Georgia,
be.
Charlie Radio 650 Whiskey Alpha. Lima X-ray 1 Fox Fox 59. Delta India. Happy New Year, muito obrigado.
Right, let that print. At least I'll print everything out on tonight's stream or whichever one we do. Tonight's stream we'll
USL Italia, United 7 Golf United Whiskey 59.
put it all together.
Gracias, obrigado, gracias,
And you
obrigado.
never know, I might even mill out the aluminium
Queen 3 Delta
later
Queen
on.
5 and 9. Thank you, Charlie Radio 650 Whiskey Alpha. Lima Zulu 6. LZ 6 LZ 59. Thank you, Charlie Radio 650 Whiskey Alpha.
Right, just putting this all together.
Florida 4 Lima.
Just going to prove the clip works. Looks like it's all fine.
Florida 4 Lima, Charlie Lima 5 and 9. Thank you, QRZ, Canada Radio 650 Whiskey Alpha.
So probably make a kit out of it if it's
Kilo Victor Echo 5 and
yeah.
9.
You got to build it yourself basically.
Thank you, Charlie Radio 650
Assemble it
Whiskey Alpha.
yourself.
Hotel Papa 2, Whiskey Golf Oscar. Sierra Papa 2, Whiskey Golf Oscar 5 at 9.
Or download the files and make your own.
Radio 6 Whiskey, Whiskey Alpha.
Put the files on the usual place.
To the November Alpha. Echo 72 November Alpha 5 and 9. Thank you, Charlie Radio 6 Whiskey, Whiskey Alpha.
Right. It's looking more like some kind of medical device.
Thank you, Charlie Radio 6 Whiskey, Whiskey Alpha.
Right, there it is. I haven't tightened it up. Let's tighten it up. That's not the one, is it? No. Right, so while that's warming up, let's just tighten this up.
The X-ray Lima. Italy United something X-ray Lima.
It's just fiddly. The nut doesn't seem to want to stay still.
Italy United.
I'll just tighten it by hand. Need some little pliers on the nut or spanner.
I'm sorry, two stations. Delta Golf 1 Juliet, Uniform Queen. Hotel United Quebec US 5 and 9.
Anyway,
Thank you.
so it seems to work. You're going to have these fixings to hold the SO239 on anyway, so you're not having any extra fixings. And I suppose I could take these lids out. So this is the actual too thick, this one is 5mm. Yeah, so the idea works. Seems to work. Yeah, I've got to sort my radios out next. Rearrange them. Try and make it into a bit of a shack. But I don't want to move them away. This is my desk where I sit. So it's got to be accessible here. I don't want to go and sit somewhere else. It's got to be all accessible here. Okay, anyway, so we'll let that carry on. So I need to create the G code for that next, but I'll leave that for now. We'll have some lunch. So we've tidied up this. What about the... There's a question about the earth clamping. So the earth clamping. So this will be aluminium. So you got, and this is metal, and they're bolted to the aluminium one side. They're jointed, but then they come through a plastic connector, plastic spacer. And you've got brass fitting going to go there. So, and the top will be metal, top and bottom will be metal ultimately. So anything plastic is going to be this clip. The only thing plastic will be this bit. Your feed line will come in and it will connect all this up, and the metal lid will touch the sides, but what we'll might have to do is a little spring clip. Yeah, a little spring clip made out of metal, like a plated contact, like they do on computers. It's like a metal spring clip that connects the metal to the lid. Or some of those little spongy, conductive sponge things. So when you force the lid on, it squashes the metal retainer. We'll sort that out anyway.
Thank you, George.
I'll sort that out. You can do a continuity test from the sides to the lid and bottom to make sure you've got it connected.
Delta Lima 3 Mike Sugar Mike 5 and 9.
Anyway, so it's going to cost what, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 brass inserts. Lots of fittings.
Papa 7 Echo Sierra India 5 and 9. Thank you, Charlie Radio 6.
Yeah, lots of fittings.
Ending in Victor.
And you've got loads of fixings. These don't come with a fixing, so I'd have to get our own fixings. There's no fixings, I think they just come on their own, you don't get fixings with them. Anyway, we'll have to just try it out. I'll try it out, so let's just stick that there like that. Just make it massive like a big spaceship. Do you want the PCB? Yeah, why not? Nah, leave it like that. Okay, that's going to be it for now. Let's just see what's happening on there. Oh, it's printing it out. Yeah, so I'll just print the lids out in a minute as well, and more of the fixings, more of the clips. So we've got one, another 3 clips. I'll print those out, another 3 of them, and source some fixings the right length.
Thank you, good luck. So Florida 4.
And see how we go on, and then maybe mill out. Won't be today. Won't be milling out aluminium today, I don't think. I'll assemble the plastic. We'll have a look at the concept, the idea, make sure everything's going to work. And then over the next week, I'll mill out.
Thank you, Charlie Radio 6 Whiskey Alpha.
Mill out the aluminium to see if I can create this strip and bend it round. You won't get a perfect V like that. You'll just get a U shape trough. So that's the only bit of a problem. But if I mill it out, I'll use the smallest bit I got. I'll go down the centre line, and I could step it. Might be able to step it. That'll require lots of G code to do stepping on an angle. It's better if I just mill it down. So anyway, that is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye for now. So it's going to be a number 4. Catch you later. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye.
Just find the right place in the program, make the appropriate change, and we'll run the whole thing again.
Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
Is that a question?
Yes.
The question is futile.
My interpretation of the data leaves little room for error. The art of leadership is delegation.
That information is not available. This constitutes all available data.
You know what they say. No good deed goes unpunished.